Yo, hello everyone. In this short video, I'll explain the steps of properly running the do-it-yourself Mastchain and Wingbits stations on the same Pi Raspberry. It implies using Docker containers, so I'm assuming Docker is installed on the system. Also, it implies SSH skills. The video will continue being infographic from here on, because I don't like to hear myself talking. Ciao.
Yeah. Radio waves don't ask permission. Yeah, decentralized signals riding out the sky. Down it in the ether, let the packets fly. AIs, whispers from the halls at sea. Mastchain, catch the truth raw, unfiltered, free. ADSB pulses, aircraft talking loud. Wingbits read the sky through the noise and cloud. Raspberry Pi, low power, no waste. Everybody earn, yeah, we own that space. No black box rigs, no lockdown gear. Just parts on the table and the vision clear. Linux boots clean, LEDs blink alive. If it's ours to build, then it's ours to drive.
DIY stations.
Yeah, we building our pie on the parts, on the metal, on the sky.
We share the data.
But we choose the terms. You want a signal, then your project earn.
DIY stations.
Freedom in the rack, pull the plug anytime. Yeah, we got that back. We don't prove ourselves, now reverse that view with the network. Prove it to us, you. Docker and crank containers nice and neat. Spin them up, shut them down, stay light on the feet. Lower on the low end, long range, slow burn. Multi-mini stacking while the radios learn. No approved hardware, no golden gate. No rent-seeking middlemen deciding a fate. Cheap build, smart configs, antennas tune. Knowledge over capital, that's the attitude. Break it, fix it, logs tell the story. Fake is just data in a path to glory. Responsibility heavy, but we carry that weight. Cause freedom don't ship pre-assembled in a crate.
DIY stations.
Yeah, we build our buy on the parts, on the metal, on the sky.
We share the data.
But we choose the terms. You want our signal, then your project earns.
DIY stations.
Freedom in the rack, repurpose tomorrow, never can't go back. When to deploy, where, how, and why. That's decentralization. That's what we apply. Yeah. Mounted on a roof or a mast by the shore. Marine flight lower, yeah, we keep our score. Deploy when it matters, unplug when it don't. Participation's a choice, not a note you wrote. We the testers in the field with the brain and rust. Building real networks, cause the code's got trust. Not investors first, not hype-driven schemes. Just builders and operators shaping data streams. Community knows every station counts. Decentralized truths, not measured in mounts. You want permanence, earn operator belief. Cause networks survive on respect and relief.
Our machines are parts. Our responsibility, our freedom. DIY stations. We share the data. DIY stations. DIY stations.
Ciao.